Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Login. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to see friend's birthday in Facebook. To do so, firstly you'll have to go to your Facebook. Once you open your Facebook, you'll have to go to your menu first. To do that, you'll have to tap on the three horizontal lines icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're here, you'll have to go to your settings, which is at the top right corner of your screen, right beside the search icon. You may tap on that. Then you may scroll down to preferences. On the third, you can see the notifications option. You may tap on that. Here, you may scroll down and under what notifications you receive, on the 8th, you can see the birthdays option. You may tap on that. Here, on the top, you can see whose birthday is it today. This is how you can easily see your friend's birthday in Facebook. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.